What up, what up, what up? It's your boy T, the mechanic, coming at y'all with another video. Today, we'll be working on this SUV today, which is an Acadia, which is in the last video that we did. This lady, she want her brakes done, and well, we was gonna do the windshield wipers, but I put that on. I can do a video. Y'all can get in the comments down below if y'all want me to show y'all how to put on a actual windshield wiper blade. Get in the comments down below if you want me to do that video. It's a simple video, but I'll take care if y'all want me to do it. But I'm gonna tell y'all, since I've been working on my own, just trying to do it myself, I have built a lot of knowledge, and I start to get a lot of confidence in myself at fixing my own equipment, fixing other people's cars. And hey, I've been doing fairly well on that progress. So if y'all would like to see more videos of me working, doing these type of videos, smash that like button, get in the comments down below. Let me know what y'all think, and we're gonna continue to keep pushing these videos out. But today, we're gonna be doing the actual back brake and the front brake on a 2011 GMC Acadia. So for those who haven't never put on brakes, let me tell y'all something. Doing any type of mechanical work on your own, it's gonna save you a lot of money and a lot of headache. And you know how you want to get your car back and you want to go drop it off in the shop and they take forever? Man, let me tell y'all something. You will save a lot of money by watching my videos and everybody else's videos on YouTube and do the work yourself. So I'm gonna do the work for you today, and then tomorrow you can go do it yourself. So without any further ado, we are going to get into the video and show you guys how to do brake front and back. Let's get to it.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working, never stop searching, never quench the thirsty, I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it, it's been chronic, since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic, go!
Okay, we back. That was hard. We recently got these tires replaced, and I guess the shop that put the tires on, they put them on super tight, so my drill wouldn't get it off, so I had to bring in these reinforcements. This is your leg. The leg is the strongest thing on your body, so it worked. So let's get to it. As y'all can see, I got the actual tire turned to the right. Remember, wherever you're trying to take the tire off, turn it to the opposite side. If I'm saying that correct, but you get the point. But right now, you got the brake pad turned to the right so we can actually see behind the actual brake pad. I want to get it close as I can so you guys can see. So right now, what we're going to do, we're going to take these two bolts. We're going to take these two bolts off, and we're going to take the whole brake pad off. So let me grab the tools, and we'll be right to it. Which one fits? I'm gonna tell y'all which one it is. So, bam, see that? Perfect. Now I got to find the ratchet. This right here is not the right one. So let me grab the ratchet. Get that with y'all. Okay, we're back. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Technical difficulties. We throw that away. As y'all can see, to take these bolts off for a GMC Acadia, it will be 13 milliliter. So remember, get you a 13 milliliter. I want to find a shorter one, but this should work. So let's take this off real quick. Okay guys, we got the bolts off. And now I was doing it wrong, y'all. I was doing it wrong. As y'all see that brake pad? Looks like it's, oh, it looks like it's got a crack in it. As y'all can see, it looks like there's a crack in it. So, I don't need that anymore. Let's grab the new brake pads. Okay, y'all, we're back. Let's see what we got here. Now these are the new ones, as y'all can see. As y'all can see, these are the new ones compared to the old ones. Y'all can see the difference. This one got the line in it, this one doesn't. So it'll show you how bad the brake pad was. So it's no good. So y'all bear with me. We're gonna get this brake pad put back on. Now, before you even get started putting your brakes back on, you gotta definitely, let me sit down because I done got old. My knees ain't good. Get yourself one of these right here. Let me see if y'all, hopefully y'all can see me. Get yourself one of these right here. This is to push in this sucker right here. If y'all can see, these right here has to be pushed in. Matter of fact, let me show y'all a little close. I'm trying to see when I do this, man. Bear with me, my knees is not good. They are not good no more. They are terrible, y'all. And y'all can see right here. These right here. These two suckers right here. Needs to be pushed back in, which they look like they're pushed in, but we're gonna try to get them in as best as we can. So y'all can watch me push these in. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Now you can see the difference between that one and this one. This one right here, focus. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Now you can see the difference between that one and this one. This one right here, focus. Anyway, y'all can see the difference. This one is not pushed in, this one is pushed in. So I'm gonna push this other one in and we're gonna get started on the brake. Okay guys, obviously, both of them are pushed in and ready for the brakes to be put back on. So let me go ahead and put these brakes on. As y'all can see, y'all put the brakes on. This is how I do it. I don't know how anybody else is doing it. I put my brakes on first, and then I come back around it with that. So let me put these on, and I would do the other side, but the other side is identical to this one, just the opposite side. So I'm gonna turn the camera back on once we get started with the back brakes. So enjoy the video. As y'all see, I got the tire back on and everything is copacetic. So now we are working our way to the driver's side, and we got to do the same exact thing to this side that we did on the other side.